Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I cook turmeric milk. These are the ingredients. Fresh milk from grain. I use only 3%. And turmeric powder is also organic. Black pepper and honey. The first thing you need to do is to put the water, just half cup of water. It's not enough. Okay, half cup of water, and then 2 cups of fresh milk because I'm preparing for me and Savta. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. Then mix it well.
Oh no!
Now I am boiling it. I have to wait 10 minutes, then it's done. Just make sure the fire is low so it will be cooked slowly. Just continue stirring it to mix the turmeric and milk properly. It will mix well. Turmeric milk is very good, especially during winter season. This is my home remedy for cough and colds, and also my immune system booster. Now it's already 10 minutes. I need to put the black pepper. Just a bit of black pepper, that's enough. And also, oh no. And that's it. I will put it in the cup to drink it. And now it's done. It's boiled already. I need to put it in the cup now, guys. This one is for Savta and this is mine. I'm using this for Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.